Humanity's signature on the planet is not steel or concrete, it's plastic. A near-indestructible synthetic monster we created, now suffocating our world. We've tried to recycle it, burn it, bury it, and we've failed. But in the darkest corners of our waste, a silent revolution has begun. A new army is mobilizing. It wasn't engineered in a Silicon Valley lab. It was discovered on the front lines of our pollution, in a Pakistani dump, in the heart of the Amazon. This is the story of the plastic-eating fungus. This isn't just a science story. This is the story of how nature is fighting back. You're watching Mwaki Insights, and we're going to the front lines of the war on waste. We're not dealing with a single savior. We're looking at a specialized task force. The first soldier, Aspergillus tubangensis, is the frontline assault. It attacks the surface, breaking down the tough plastics in our dumps and cities. But the real game changer is the deep operative, Pestilotiopsis microspora. This fungus doesn't need air. It operates in the dark, oxygen-starved hell of landfills and the deep ocean, places where our plastic was supposed to be buried forever. It proves that life, finds a way, and in this case, life is hungry. So how do we weaponize this discovery? The vision is as daring as the science itself. Imagine mobile bioreactors, shipping container-sized units, dropped into the world's worst dump sites, working autonomously for months. Imagine enzyme-spraying drones neutralizing plastic waste in remote or disaster-stricken areas without any human labor. Or even more radical, programming plastic to self-destruct by embedding it with fungal spores from the moment it's created. This is the end of waste as a concept. We're moving from a linear model of take, make, dispose to a circular one, where fungi are the crucial link that closes the loop. This is the insight from Mwaki Insights. The solution to a man-made problem was never more technology, it was better biology. But every revolution has a dark side, and this one is no different. We must ask the daring, uncomfortable questions. What happens when we release an organism that eats our civilization's foundational material? Could it mutate? Could it jump to the plastics we still rely on? In our hospitals, our computers, our homes? If we genetically engineer a super fungus to work faster, what prevents it from becoming an ecological plague?
And let's talk about power. The entity that patents and controls this technology could wield power over the entire global economy, from the oil industry to waste management. This isn't just a tool, it's a geopolitical weapon. The fungal solution is breathtaking, but we must stare directly into the abyss it could open.
We stand at a precipice. For the first time, we have a tool that can genuinely reverse one of our greatest environmental catastrophes. The plastic-eating fungus is a testament to nature's resilience and a mirror to our own ingenuity. But with this power comes a responsibility of cosmic proportions. We are not just cleaning up a mess, we are introducing a new actor into the planetary play. We must guide this story with wisdom, foresight, and a healthy dose of fear. This isn't just about saving the planet from plastic. It's about proving we are mature enough to wield the incredible, terrifying forces of biology itself. If you understand the stakes of this new epoch, this mycelial age, then you need to be part of this conversation. Share this analysis, spark the debate, and subscribe to Mwaki Insights. We don't just report on the future, we challenge it.